Hey guys! Today we have some new survival gear that you must have. With these gadgets, you'll be ready for any situation that might arise during your outdoor adventures. Coming up first is the Tenergy Multifunctional Hand Crank Weather Radio, a useful tool to have during sudden emergencies such as power outages, hurricanes, or earthquakes. This radio features built-in tools including LED flashlights, SOS siren, and radio frequencies like AM, FM, and WM that are critical in a crisis. The device can be powered through multiple ways to recharge the built-in 20,000 mAh battery, such as generating energy with the hand crank or solar panel. It can also be powered through other power sources, such as the included AAA batteries or USB power source. It comes with a built-in lithium-ion battery that can double as a renewable power source for cell phones and electronics when fully charged. This emergency radio also features two LED lights that can shine up to 120 lumens, and an SOS light and siren that flashes SOS in Morse code to alert others to accidents or urgent situations. So now we have the GoTime Gear Life Tent Emergency Survival Shelter, a compact and weatherproof 2-person tent that's perfect for camping, hiking, and emergency situations. This tent is made from tear and puncture-resistant PET mylar and has an interior that reflects 90% of your body heat, so you can stay warm and dry in any weather condition. It's also waterproof, windproof, and weighs just 8.7 ounces, making it easy to pack and carry in the included stuff sack. The gadget sets up quickly and can be used as an emergency shelter, tube tent, survival tarp, or bivy bag. It's spacious enough to accommodate 2 people, measuring 94 inches long and 58 inches wide at the base. Also, the tent includes a 120 decibel whistle and 20 feet paracord that can be used to tie down or repair gear and backpacking supplies. Next up is the GPCA Carabiner PRO keychain clip, a durable and versatile key organizer that doubles as a multi-tool EDC gear. Made from alloy steel, this carabiner comes with a high load-bearing capacity that makes it perfect for outdoor activities. It can handle heavier items like tools, flashlights, or even small bags, making it a versatile tool for any situation. The device has a D-shaped locking design with a manual screw gate that reduces the chance of open gate failure. This keychain clip is designed to be strong enough for heavy-duty use and comes with an auto-locking feature that allows for one-handed operation. It also features a smooth screw action on the locking mechanism, making it easy to use. So you can attach it to your camping or hiking backpack, hammocks, or even use it as a keyring. Upcoming is the USMC Tactical Folding Knife, an essential tool for outdoorsmen, hunters, and marines alike. This folding knife features a durable 3.5-inch stainless steel blade that is laser engraved with the iconic USMC eagle, globe, and anchor. The knife measures 4.75 inches when closed, making it compact and easy to carry in your pocket or bag. This knife is perfect for everyday carry and self-defense, with a built-in glass breaker and seat belt cutter. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures that it can handle heavy-duty tasks like cutting ropes or boxes. The high-quality pocket clip is also embossed with USMC, showcasing your pride in this pivotal institution. This folding knife makes the perfect gift for active-duty Marines, veterans, or military enthusiasts for occasions like Father's Day, Veterans Day, birthdays, or Christmas. With the 3D Marine Corps emblem on the handle, this knife displays both strength and pride. Moving on to the GRAYL GeoPress 24-ounce water purifier bottle, the perfect companion for survival situations. This versatile water bottle purifies sketchy water to make it safe to drink, removing all waterborne pathogens like viruses, bacteria, and protozoa. It also filters and cleans particulates, chemicals, pesticides, herbicides, heavy metals, flavors, and odors, allowing you to enjoy clean, purified water anywhere. The bottle requires zero setup time, pumps, hoses, sucking straws, batteries, chemicals, or prolonged waiting. It can purify 24 ounces of water in just 8 seconds. Its one-way drink mix valve allows you to add electrolytes and sport drinks mixes to your purified water without compromising the integrity of the filter media. The multifunctional simple vent drink cap vents air during purification and protects from cross-contamination. The replaceable filter and purifier cartridge is rated for 300 cycles, which means 3 years have elapsed since first use. Let's shift our focus to the Surviveware waterproof matches with case, a must-have tool for anyone who loves outdoor experiences like hiking, camping, or fishing. These stormproof and windproof matches will light your fire even in the toughest weather conditions. With tried and tested performance, these matches are the perfect fire sticks for your next rainy adventure. The heavy-duty waterproof container is made with ABS plastic, making it nearly indestructible, and it even floats, keeping your strikes safe from water damage. Each container has a hard striker strip on the inside, so your match will always have a dry surface to ignite. These matches are a necessary emergency item for your camping, fishing, survival kit, bug out gear, earthquake, or hurricane emergency bag. They're made by pros with the mission of creating high-quality gear to give you the ultimate peace of mind on all your life journeys. Last up is the Off-Grid Tools Pro Survival Axe Elite, the ultimate outdoor multi-tool that's ready for any situation you might come across during your outdoor activities. With 30 built-in features, this tool is perfect for chopping, clearing debris, demolition, pounding in and removing tent stakes, or repairing your deer stand. It's made with an all-steel full tang and axe head with an ultra-strong, lightweight glass-filled nylon handle, a heat-treated hatchet blade that can be resharpened, and a hammerhead and claw. The interchangeable 6-inch bimetal saw blade folds out of the handle and locks into place, which can saw through just about anything you need it to. It also features a gas valve shut-off wrench with an integrated bottle opener. At 11 inches long and just over 1.5 pounds, this compact toolkit is large enough to do damage, yet small enough to fit in your glove box or small bag. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.